Today's video in a Hyundai Elantra is gonna be upgrading a sure shifter. We got a factory right there, and we're gonna change it for this one. So basically you have to take all this plastic around. I already got it out. You're gonna lose all this and you're gonna take all this out. So I already removed all this part. So basically after that you're gonna remove these 4 screws over here around it. All this is loose already, so you just pull it out. Let me remove all the screws. It's already removed. This is how she's gonna be looking. This wire, it goes over here, it goes to the middle console. So basically over here for this little bottom part is this clip, and basically what you do is lose this clip and then the other way in the bottom. After you take this part off, and turn it around, and you're gonna remove this little clip over here. Turn it off. We have flathead. And basically you just slide this off. Just like that. Just be careful with the cables. And remember, this cable is connected. So now I'm gonna install the new one. Basically it's gonna be the same process without the plastic piece with the holder. I place it in, and now like I said, I broke it by a mistake. Basically, since this part broke, obviously I'm learning, so you guys don't do this kind of mistake. I cannot put it in because it's curved, and the little ball over here is not letting me get it in. So basically you guys know already, use them tiny flatheads, don't use big ones. Basically it gets to a point that it gets kind of jammed. So what I did, I just hammer it over here a little bit. If you guys want to use something so it doesn't get scratched, it's up to you guys. So basically you see the hammer right there, and when I hammer it in, I make sure that these tabs that will lock again. so it's kind of hard. There you go. So basically it comes with this kit. This is the spacers. They don't fit in the hole. They're spacers. That's why they're giving you these long bolts. So I can give you a difference. This one is a stock bolt, and that's the aftermarket. Obviously because it's gonna be so low that they want it to higher up so it can be comfortable for you to shift. So how I'm installing this, I got the aftermarket bushings for the shift knob. So basically I got the washer, I got the aftermarket bushing. I'm gonna put the screw, the long one. I'm gonna lift it up. I'm gonna put this one, the spacer. I already got the back one, so, and then after that I'm gonna put a washer. So everything's together, and then basically I'm gonna place it in. It's a size 13. This is screws. That's how tall it's gonna look. So basically it's almost like stuck. That's if you guys want to use the spacers. So is everything already assembled, and then I'm gonna place this part. So basically this part is gonna replace this one. So don't try to connect this one over here because it won't work at all. So here you're gonna have to take this one out on the port. So I'm ready to take it out. So basically taking that off, be careful because they're pretty soft. They might break. This one you got kind of hurt. You pull this one out, you have to hold it from over here because if not you will rip off the leather or the fabric. So it's already assembled. I'm still missing the cover and all that stuff because I just want to know how good it's gonna feel and all that stuff. It's really short, that's why you got the spacers, because it's low. Like it's way more lower than the regular. The regular is like up to here. Thing that I don't like is that this should be for rivers. But now basically I can go rivers without pressing it. That was a safety lock for me not to go to rivers when you put them first. That's up to you guys, so it's your choice. It's really like hard and it's really short. That's it. It's like right there.